Hey everybody, my name is Sofia
And my name is Maria.
and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's vlog we're going to show you a bit of our life and we're planning to cook something on the grill, and our first stop is a grocery shop. So let's go with us.
So today we're planning to grab some meat.
Yeah, we're going to look for something like steak alive.
And also wanna grab some veggies because we wanna grill them. So we bought all groceries in Aldi and they don't have a Coles there, so now we're going to the Coles to buy some.
So we just got back from the grocery shop, and firstly we're gonna prep the meat. Our recipe is very simple. We're just gonna add pepper and salt. So let's go do that.
After we finish with meat, we start to prepping the veggies. Firstly, wash them. We grabbed some capsicum, zucchini, onion and mushrooms. Cut them. And now let us show you a very simple recipe sauce for your veggies. All the measurements are on the screen, and as we had a lot of veggies, we did a double portion. Then give it a good mixity mix. Then just pour it in, mix it again, and it's ready for the grill.
So the meat is ready, veggies too. The hardest part now is to make a fire. We just called our brother for instructions, so just wish us luck. It looks like fire to me.
We did fire!
Here you can see how professionals do this. Huge shout out to our brother for help.
So while we're waiting for fire, we want to share with you this snack, which is rice cakes.
And we wanna try this avocado dip.
Coal is piping hot, let's cook the meat. And guys, if you only could smell this, the lunch turned out very delicious. We had some beef, chicken, veggies, also halloumi cheese. And just look at this plate, isn't she stunning? And yeah, it tasted so bombed.
Mushroom for you guys. Thanks for watching this vlog,
Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.